Hi everyone, welcome to another video tour, this time of an Element 27. It's a 2025 model. These are based on the Iveco 70C or 72C 210, so it's a 7.2 tonne GVM with a 210 horsepower engine, 8-speed auto. You get all the options with them, so airbag suspension, diff lock, the 3 option packs, so things like Apple CarPlay, tyre monitoring, comfort seats, suspension seats, radar cruise, all that kind of stuff standard. The truck's not too loud in the background. So this model motorhome is 8.6 metres long. We advertise 3.3 metres high, but it's actually a little bit less than that, and just under 2.5 metres wide. It's got a 4.5 metre slide out, and all the kind of gear that you'd expect in a high-end motorhome. Let's start looking at some of the features. So first thing we've got is with the diesel filler here. It's a 100 litre fuel tank standard. You can get a 210 litre aftermarket tank fitted to these. In here we've got the generator fuel tank, so that's conveniently located right next to the diesel filler, and you can see the manual override for the slide out there as well. So you've got around 34 litres of fuel for the generator. With the new battery system and solar though, you're using the generator less and less and less, so that's a good thing. We'll get to the batteries in a moment. There's outside storage, nice big drawer, lots of storage in the Element 27, so that's cool, nice and easy to access. You got the hoses and bits and pieces of the tow bar accessories, solar screens all there. Now all the locks that look like this, they've actually got a central locking unit, so there's a remote control that locks all of those, which is nice. One of the updates for the new Element model, if you've watched our videos a lot, is the outside TV area. So we now have a 32-inch television outside, which is brilliant. And there's a space there for a barbecue or storage for whatever you want. PowerPoint under there for the TV. So that's convenient and super easy to operate. Look at that. Very nice. They've added a little through connector for their Starlink. They're having an external Starlink rather than the roof mount one. External PowerPoint, fold down table. You've got your gas bayonet point, so if you do have a gas barbecue you can plug that in. That's just another standard feature. Got the 2 4-kilo gas bottles that slide out. So we still have gas on board. It's less and less used though. The only thing now, actually this one's got the gas cooktop in it. Standard they have the induction cooktop, but it's the hot water is the main thing. So this is the latest spec battery and power system. So you have 2 by 300 amp hour Enerdrive lithium battery, so 600 amp hours in total. You've got a 3 kilowatt Redarc RS3 inverter with internal transfer, and the new Manager Alpha 100, which is the latest charging unit from Redarc. So that'll charge at 100 amps, whether it be on mains connection generator of 240 volt. When you're driving, it'll charge at 100 amps. You won't quite get 100 amps out of the solar, but you potentially get up to 60 or 70 amps with the solar setup on this one. So I have 1080 watts on the roof, which is quite impressive. We might see it. I think the battery's a bit full on this one for us to see much performance today, but the sun's out, which is good. So tow bar standard, hard cover there standard, continuous gas hot water system standard. You notice the cameras, these little things here, there's 4 of those around the vehicle, front, rear and both sides. That's the 4K 360 camera system. That's another standard feature. That's a really high-end product. It's got the new bowl view as well. It's an OEM level system rather than the aftermarket style ones that some of our competitors fit. Beautiful fit out here. Aluminium bumper bar at the back. That's nice. You got your tailpipe for the generator just out the back here, so that's a good spot. Keeps any noise and gases as far away from your camping area as possible. The generator is actually mounted under here, so that's a good spot there. Easy to service, easy to get to, and again keeping the gases and the noises and stuff as far away from the camping area as possible. You got your water filler here, so 310 litres of fresh water. You got your town pressure point here, so if you're plumbing your hose onto that, you can leave your water pump turned off and the water will come straight through. Power inlets, all the service connections pretty much are just here, which is really convenient. Now they all get this access hatch, This particular customer has the standard cassette toilet. We're getting, there's a few options now with toilets. Got the macerating style marine toilet with a tank. Got the cassette with the ventilation system on it here. And we're getting a handful of customers go for the dry flush or composting style toilet. So that's becoming more popular, which is cool. And you've got more storage in under here. Now with the upgraded power system on the other side, we have had to put a couple of the components over here as well. So this is basically your switch gear and your 240 volt control box. Still plenty of room. It's a good spot, I think, for maybe your power lead and a few tools and stuff in there. It's good. Alright, so we can see the slide out on this side now. Got the awning on top there. It's folded down, but you've also got we still fit the TV antennas, the wind guarded TV antenna. Still probably the best performing as internet coverage and adoption of things like Starlink start to become more popular. They'll probably start to drop off, but still a functional thing. So the slide outs are great. It's our own design and patented slide out that we use here. One big feature that the customers notice in the end is the fact that the storage lockers underneath here actually come out with the slide out. So that makes access to those super easy. It's actually quite a lot of space too. So again, aluminium bins. So there's no real load limit on those, plenty of space, and I'm not crawling underneath the slide out to get to those either. So definitely a standout feature in what we do. Under the bed. So huge amount of space under here, and you've got 240 volt sockets, 12 volt sockets under here. So if you do have a fridge or electric bike chargers or scooter chargers or whatever, you're all set up, ready to go. Next storage lockers are under the lounge. We won't open both these doors, but it goes in behind there. So again, plenty of storage, easy to access, really nice. Outside lights on this side. There's outside lights all the way around. They're all dimming too with the new Redarc control gear. So you've got light dimming inside, outside. Fridge vents. Beautiful side steps there, the way they're finished off. Absolutely perfect. Look at that. Really nice. You got your little courtesy light here. So whether we'll see it in the daytime or not, I think you can see that. Turns on, it's a bit dim at day, but it lights up this area down here at night time when you unlock it with the remote control, when you open the door. Nudge bar standard, again that front camera there, that's positioned the right way to give you that proper bird's eye view. Beautiful header shape. The colours in this one on the outside are pretty subtle. So it's got the anthracite grey is this bottom colour and the graphic that's in it. I can't remember what this one's called. I'll have to look it up. If you like that and something you want on your walls, just shoot me a text message and I'll look it up. Alright, let's go inside. Double entry step. Probably don't fold those in and out enough to really see what's going on there. But electric goes in and out. Being the double step, it clears really well. It pops up right up above the body line. That's good. And then under here you got some, I don't know if you can see that there, umbrella holders, intake for the heater. That's cool. Alright, let's go inside. Very nice. So we have the mocha, is this colour down here, alabaster for the upper cabinets there. Can't remember what the bench top's called, but there's probably half a dozen different bench tops in a similar shade to that. So a nice colour scheme. We've done a few with this mocha now. Looks good. There are some new colours that have been just released, so we'll start to see those trickle through, and if you do have a build coming up, you'll be able to pick from those. Very nice. Alright, let's have a look at the front. So in this video I've got the seats swiveled around already, so you can see those. That's nice. The Aveco Daily, they've added a little UHF radio, so all the big things are standard, but there is a few accessories. So they've added the UHF radio and some little Socro fans. Everything else is all part and parcel. Nice truck. So Apple CarPlay on the screen there. It does have inbuilt navigation, but once you've use CarPlay or Android Auto, you'll tend to stick with that. We've got the 10-inch 4K screen up here for the camera system. That's cool. Lots of little storage cubby holes. It's a bit hard to see there, but there's heaps of room in there. This is all genuine leather, beautifully trimmed. Very nice. Alright. Fridge. This should be on. Yeah, it's on nice and cold. Ready for the customer for pickup today. These are around 220 litres. They run on 12 volt. It's all controlled through the Redarc system. And the big batteries. So there is modes on here. Most people just leave it on the normal one. They're that quiet anyway, but you've got a quieter mode and a eco mode and whatnot. More cupboard space. There's these beautiful latches. Solid stainless steel. Not relying on magnets or plastic clips or any of those old style caravan things. So some people ask what this is for. This is like an appliance cupboard. So if you imagine you got your toaster, kettle, Thermomix, coffee machine, whatever on there, there's a power point at the back. So you're all set. Leave it plugged in. And it's nice and secure there while you drive. Drawers are big for us. We like drawers. Makes life a bit easier for you to use. And they're all the top of the range Blum Legrabox. So absolutely bulletproof. Nice and smooth. Soft close. Very nice. More drawer space. They've had the cutlery tray and stuff there as well. Huge drawers here. I don't know if you can kind of get a feel for how big that is, but to give you some concept, it comes out 550mm. So very big drawer. And again, heavy duty runners. Top of the range Blum Legrabox drawer systems. Very nice. The sink's got the chopping board and little rinse tray and stuff there. That's nice. You've got an inbuilt filter tap that's in there as well. The filter's behind the kitchen. You got your beautiful combination oven microwave unit there and grill. And like I said when I was outside, the standard here is a 2-burner induction. These guys have gone for a combo induction and 2 gas. Lots of overhead cupboard space. Non-slip matting, and again these beautiful locks on everything. Absolutely spot on. Range hood's beautifully integrated there. Just how it should be. Double power points. TV folds out. This will come out. There's a couple little brackets underneath. We just pull that and it comes out. You just push it back when you're driving. Nice big lounge. This table will come up and down so you can push it up and down easily. The lounge is huge. It's a bit, how do you get the feel for it, but I'm 6'2", and I can stretch out on that really well. More cupboard space up here. Beautiful soft close. Absolutely spot on. Each side of the bed's got a double power point and USB outlets with the new style USBs as well. Nice drawer there as well for your goodies. Underbed storage. It's on gas struts, so lifted that with one hand very easily. I've mentioned in other videos the height of this is actually set up that most, at least the Dometic fridges, will fit under here if you would need more fridge space, which is good. You got the Fusion Audio top of the range unit there for inside and outside speakers. You may have noticed the outside speakers. Good wardrobe hanging space. These come out. Heaps of room. And again, all the drawers. Any of the low stuff will be drawers, which is good. Lots of walk space down the side of the bed. So, very nice. Often a lot of motorhomes will be a bit tight down this side here, so really optimise that. This is the bathroom area. Nice sink set up. Got your towel rails on the wall there. You can see me in the mirror. Washing machine. So top loader. The big next model up's got a big front load washing machine. You got hot water service control here. So again, continuous gas. Beautiful. Lots of cupboard space. Love these. Huge big shower. There's a seat in there. Absolutely massive shower unit. Often people see these on the videos and the first time they come and see the shower they really appreciate just how big it is. I'll have a little bit of a look at the control gear for it. So over here we've got a heater control at the top, slide it in and out, the Redarc stuff. So here we go, battery's at 100%, so we're not going to be putting much solar in now that it's full. But that's pretty cool, it's doing what it's got to do. You can turn things on and off here and dim your lights and stuff from here as well, and the generator control there. So with the amount of solar we've got on the roof on this new model, particularly in the daytime, you can run your air conditioning off the battery and solar. You just monitor your battery levels, so it's got quite a big battery system and big solar. So it will handle that. You've always got the generator as a backup too. Alright guys, now I'm going to mention something interesting, see how many people actually watch these videos and listen all the way to the end. I have a used Element 27 that's coming in for sale. So if that's something that you might be interested in, reach out. I won't advertise it anywhere. But it's a 19 model, got about 50,000 Ks on it. Beautiful like they all are. And that's going to be available very soon. So if it is something that you'd like, and as most of you probably know, we've got a 4.5 year wait time, so that'll you know, be perfect for someone that wants one of our motorhomes but really can't wait. So give the office a call, reach out, we can organise something with that. In the meantime, if you're waiting patiently for your new one, here's another one finished, so that means yours is one step closer. Alright guys, thanks for watching and have a great day.